In this video, I will be showing you how to take apart a 2000 series lever entry. So take your key, insert it into the lock, give it a quarter turn counterclockwise. Put your tool into the hole on the neck. Pull off your lever. You're going to want to push on the cylinder with the key to take out this little black retaining clip and remove the cylinder. To put it back together, you're going to drop the cylinder in, tailpiece up, take that retaining clip, slide it back down in, take your lever, slide it back down on, give it a quarter turn counterclockwise again, flick it back on, and then that should operate, lock and unlock the button. Next, I'm going to be showing you how to rekey any one of our locks using the tail rekeying kit. With the key pulled out just a little, you're going to take the proper cap removal tool and slide it on, turn it counterclockwise till the tailpiece and the cap come off, take the back pin and spring out, put your key all the way in, do a quarter turn so that this top piece is now pointing away from you. Take your follower with the blunt end, slide it through, take the pins that are in there, take them out, and with the key number on the key that you're rekeying it to, follow that with the matching bottom pins in your pinning kit. And when you're rekeying, you're going to want to take the pin. The pin has a pointed end and a flat end. You want the pointed end down in the cylinder with the flat up. With all your proper pins in, you should see that they all are level. Once you have all the proper pins back in, take your follower with that top facing away from you and the top of your cylinder facing up, slide it back through, and your cylinder should work. Pop your key out just a little bit again, put your spring and back pin back in, put your cap back on. All of our levers, the tailpiece should be running parallel with the top of the cylinder. All of our ball knobs, it runs perpendicular with the top of the cylinder. And you're going to want to turn this clockwise till it stops and do about a quarter turn back. Make sure the pin in the back clicks into one of the spots to lock it in.